Hey guys, hello grade 4. How are you doing? I hope you're doing good because this video is going to teach you math and let's see if we can make it fun. In the last few lessons, we have been talking about handling data. We have some information and what can we do with this information? Well, one thing we can do is create a graph. And one kind of graph that we can create is a bar chart, like the chart that you see behind me. In this chart, every piece of information is depicted with a bar. The taller the bar, the more the quantity of that item. So let's see what kind of exercise we're dealing with. Can someone read what it says at the top? What do you mean? There is no one in the classroom and I have to do it. Not fair at all, but I will play along. This chart shows the sale at my toy store. Study the chart and answer the questions. So these are sales of toys. I have a toy store, like in my fantasy. I have a toy store, and this is how many toys I sell. In my toy store, I sell dragons. Yes, that's right. And last month, I sold how many? I sold 10 dragons. Last month, I also sold 5 drones. It was a nice month for my business. I also sold some Lego sets. How many Lego sets did I sell? 20. I sold 20 Legos. Good for me. I also sold My Little Ponies. I sold 25 of them. I also sold a lot of Barbie dolls, little girls. 30 Barbie dolls I sold last month. And I had some toy cars, about 15 of them. Just to let you know, the numbers that you see on the whiteboard are different than the numbers in your own work. I will answer the questions with these numbers, but the answers will not be the same like your own. But you can see how the thinking process goes, okay? So let's take a look at that. We have this chart and we have to answer 6 questions. Question A says, which is the best-selling item? Sir, you said you have a toy store. Which toy is the one that sells the best? Which is your best seller, your best-selling item? So, which one is it? Do I sell more dragons? Do I sell more Legos? More toy cars? Which toy is the one that sells the most at my shop? The answer is Barbie doll. Yeah, everybody buys Barbie dolls. So, which is the best-selling item at my shop? The Barbie dolls. Question B, which is the worst-selling item? Which one of those items, which one of those toys I sold less items of? And the answer is the drones. Maybe it's because they're expensive, I'm not sure, but no, people are not buying enough of them. Okay, we dealt with questions A and B. Let's see question C. How many dragons did I sell? How many? Give me a number. Did I sell like 1, 100, 1 million? How many did I sell? The correct answer for this exercise is 10. Again, let me tell you, in the worksheet that you are working with, we have different numbers, bigger numbers. This is an example to show you how you can do your homework. Don't use those answers at your homework. Okay? Let's go. We're done with A, we're done with B, we're done with C. Let's take a look at question D. How many My Little Pony and Barbie dolls did I sell all together? If I take the My Little Ponies that I sold and the Barbie dolls and put them together, how many did I sell? Well, let's see. How many My Little Ponies did I sell? How many? 25. So I have 25 on one side. And on the other side, I have 30 Barbie dolls. If I put them together, this is addition. So I should just do 25 plus 30 equals 55. So I sold 55 items of My Little Pony and Barbie dolls together. We're done with A, B, C, D. Let's take a look at E. E has two questions. It says, did I sell more Legos or toy cars? How many more? Let's take a look. How many Legos did we sell? We sold 20 Legos. How many toy cars did we sell? 15. So, did we sell more Legos or more toy cars? The answer is obviously we sell more Legos or Lego sets. Okay, how many more? Did I sell one more? 100 more? Let's take a look. We sold 20 Lego sets and 15 toy cars. We have more Lego sets than toy cars. How many more? One is 20, the other is 15. We know 20 is bigger than 15, no question about it, but how much bigger is it? Well, if we want to know the difference between two numbers, we subtract. That's how we find the difference between two numbers. 20 minus 15 equals 5. 5 more. So how many more? 5. 5 items more. Again, when it is time to do your homework in your homework sheet, the numbers will be different. But what will not change is that for question D, you must do an addition, and for question E, you must do a subtraction. But the numbers will be different, and the results will be different. Let's go to the last question, question F. How many toys did I sell together? That's a great question. So you have a toy store, right? That's what you do. You sell toys all day. How many toys did you sell? Let's see. We know the numbers of each toy I sold. We know that I sold 10 dragons, 5 drones, 20 Lego sets, 25 My Little Ponies, 30 Barbie dolls, and 15 toy cars. How much are they all together? We must add them to find out. So here, since I need a lot of space, I will start from there, and I will write 10 because I have 10 dragons, plus 5 because I have 5 drones, plus 20 because I have 20 Lego sets, plus 25 because I have 25 My Little Ponies. Can you even see that, or is it too low on the whiteboard? Let me move it a little bit so you can see better. So 10 plus 5 plus 20 plus 25 plus 30 plus 15. How much is that all together? Well, 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 20 is 35. 35 plus 25 is 60. 60 plus 30 is 90. 90 plus 15 is 105. So how many toys did I sell altogether? I sold 105 toys. Again, and for the last time, I'm telling you that these numbers are different different from the numbers that you have in your worksheet. The thinking process, though, is not different. So don't forget to do an addition for D, a subtraction for D, and a big addition for F. There you go. I hope you don't have any questions left, and I hope you find your homework easy. I also hope you're having a good time, and we will talk to each other again next week. Until then, have an awesome time.